Bitdefender's tips: fix slowdown-related issues after activating IPv6. After activating IPv6, if you encounter any slowdowns, the first step you should take is to disable IPv6 from Central App and check if the slowdown persists afterwards. Alternatively, you can check if the connection you are trying to initiate is using IPv4 or IPv6. For websites, pressing the F12 key will reveal more insight about the traffic performed in the background. If the slowdown persists even after disabling IPv6, check that the setting was applied. By rebooting the Bitdefender box from Central App, you need to be connected to the Bitdefender box Wi-Fi network in order to perform this task. For additional troubleshooting steps, feel free to contact Bitdefender 24/7 support line at boxsupport@bitdefender.com.